What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you where to use time control tower key in Arc Raiders. Now using this key is pretty easy. First of all, start a match in Dam Battlegrounds, and on this map we need to get to the research and administration building. Once you're on this point on your map, then we need to climb the stairs to get here. And now once you're on this building, just go from this path. So we just need to go straight without taking any turn. And then you will find this gate at the end of this path. Then we just need to go straight, follow the path till end, and at the end you will find this gate. If it is locked, open it by pressing E on your keyboard, and once the gate is open, just go inside that gate and you will find this zip line. Use the zip line in order to get up, and then we'll start going up. After that we'll find another gate at the end of the zip line. If it is locked, open it by pressing E on your keyboard, and then the gate will be opened. Then we need to take right turn, climb up the stairs, and you will be able to find this gate at the end of this path, which can be opened using Dam Control Tower key. I haven't unlocked the key myself, but you can use your key here. I just wanted to show you the exact location, and here is the location. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.